Looking at the cultures is super cool. You see them at the beginning, and then a couple days later you see them and they've grown or they haven't grown, and it's kind of like doing a little detective work. I think it's kind of fun to do.
Clinical science is all hands-on. You have to like science, and you have to like computers and instrumentation, and you have to be just a little bit picky.
I'm really good at looking at the details and being okay doing repetitive work, because that's a huge thing with it.
Most people associate being a lab tech as a person who draws your blood, but that's actually the smallest part of our job. Everything else, 98%, is all behind the scenes.
I'm not saying I'm not a team player, but I like to do things myself.
Our program is a little bit more flexible than other programs. Most of our MLT students are working. It depends on what's going on in your life. We set the program up for you.
My teachers are amazing. They are really helpful when I'm like, I'm stuck, I don't know how to do this. They're like, okay, this is how you do it, because they've all been MLTs and MLSs, and they all relate it back to their experience.
Our MLS programs are a little bit different than our MLT programs in that most of it is done online. They already have to be working as an MLT, and then once a month we meet for a longer lab session, usually on a Saturday.
I'm really excited to go into the field and learn more, but I'm also excited because I'm planning on coming back for my medical lab science degree.
The technology is constantly changing. We are updating our courses every year. So every year, every single class gets an update with what's new and what's coming.
This career, it's not as flashy as being a doctor or being a nurse, but it's still such a rewarding thing because in the end you're still helping people.
There are tons of job opportunities out there. And the more students we can get graduated and passing their boards, the better off our field will be.
I just want to help people. That's at the end of the day, that's kind of been my core reason into going into anything in healthcare.